Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video of Code and Clarity. Want to crack top tech companies like Amazon, Google or even startups? Then you must master DSA. But what even is this DSA? And why do all recruiters and coding platforms are kind of obsessed over it? Stay till the end and I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. What is DSA? DSA stands for Data Structures and Algorithms. Now, what is a data structure and algorithm? A data structure is a specific way of organizing, managing, and storing data in a computer's memory to enable efficient access and modification. And an algorithm is a well defined, step by step procedure or a set of rules designed to solve a specific problem or perform a particular task. Think of it in this way: data structures are basically like containers. What are the containers? The ways to store and organize the data. Examples: we have arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs. And what are algorithms? Algorithms are basically like recipes, step by step instructions to solve a problem efficiently. Like, it may be sorting a list, it may be searching a number, or finding the shortest path available in between the cities. So, altogether, DSA is the heart of problem solving in programming. Now, the next question is, why is DSA important for placements? Most of the coding rounds in companies are based on the problems of DSA. Actually, DSA shows you logically how to solve the problem. Means you will be able to use your logical thinking and implement your problem solving skill. Besides, your ability to optimize the solution is also tested. Not just writing the code. Anybody will write the code, but how much you are able to optimize it, it is also tested. And besides, DSA is completely language independent. Whether you are in C++, Java, or Python, DSA is universal. So even non-tech giants also, DSA shows your problem solving mindset, how much you are ready to solve an instant problem. This is the main reason behind. Now, I'm giving you a real world example. Suppose, let's say you are building an app like Swiggy or Zomato. So, at first, what you will need? You will need to store the customer data. Using what you will be storing? Using hash maps. Next, you will have to find the nearest delivery partner. In that case, also, a graph algorithm is helping you. Then, you will have to manage the order queue, the order of the customers. That's again a queue data structure. So see, the DSA is basically powering the real products. This is the importance of DSA in today's world. It's just vast. So now I'll be giving you or telling you how to start learning the DSA. Now, if you are a beginner, here's how to start. Learn a language well, like C++, Java, or Python. Then start with easy DSA topics. At first, learn arrays, then learn strings, then move to recursions, then move to linked lists, then practice on sites. Start practicing. What are the sites you can practice on? LeetCode, CodeStudio, JVA. I'm explaining everything later on. Be consistent. Don't jump readily. Just follow a roadmap. So I'm also giving you the roadmap, even with the timelines. At first, in the first phase, learn a programming language. Choose take about 1 to 2 weeks time for it. Choose anyone, either C++ or Java or Python. Then learn the basics. What does basics mean? Variables, loops, function, arrays, strings, input output. Then understand how to write the code and run the code confidently. Means just run the code, then start writing in code editor. Run it, feel it. Then you don't need to be an expert, just comfortable enough to implement the logic which comes in your mind instantly. This is the first phase. After you get a grip on the first phase, move on to the second phase. The second phase is mastering the basic data structures. And this phase you consider about 3 to 4 weeks time. Now start from arrays and strings because the arrays and strings are the foundation of all problems. Then move to recursions. These recursions are a base of backtracking and divide and conquer and very important. Then move to linked lists. Linked lists is the key in memory management, and linked list has several real life uses. Then after learning linked lists, move on to stacks and queues. What are the stacks and queues? Actually, these are interviewers' favorites, and these are useful in parsing undo redo operation. Then after learning the stacks and queues, move to advanced level hash map and hash sets. Like, get a first look upon it, because 99% of the real world apps use this hash map and hash sets. I missed one thing. You also learn the binary search, which is a fundamental algorithm, but it is very powerful. So, there is already a video on search strategies in my channel. If you want me to make videos on the rest of the topics, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be making videos on each and every topic and let you know each of these. And go and watch that video on search strategies. Now, coming to the next phase. The next phase is the algorithms. Take about almost 4 to 6 weeks time to learn these algorithms. First, start with the sorting and the searching algorithms, because these are must know for any interview. Then move to two pointers problem and the sliding window problem. These problems are very much efficient in problem solving. Next, move on to the recursion and backtracking. Solve puzzles, paths, decisions. Recursion and backtracking are used to solve mainly this puzzles, paths, decisions, these type of problems. Then move to the greedy approach. Now, greedy approach basically the optimizes the path with simple choices. Then move on to the binary search on answers. This is advanced, but it is powerful. Then also learn the basics of bit manipulation, because some of the top companies often ask questions from bit manipulation. If you want me to make videos on these algorithms, please let me know again in the comments. Next, coming to the next phase, intermediate data structures. Now, these intermediate data structures are optional for beginners, but still you can learn it. Learn trees, binary tree and binary search tree. Questions on hierarchy and structure, etc., are based on it. Then learn heaps or priority queues, scheduling problems, optimization problems. Then move to the graphs, networks, shortest path questions, maps. Then in graph you learn about the breadth first search and the depth first search. Then move to tries. Now, these tries are word-based problems and autocomplete problems. These are a little bit of complex, but after learning all this, you will feel everything is simple, and you have mastered almost 70% of DSA. Hooray! Now move on to the next step. The next step is practice, practice, and practice. Keep practicing. Start solving problems on LeetCode. In LeetCode, you will get beginner to advanced level problems. You can also practice on Geeks for Geeks. The feature of Geeks for Geeks is that you will get topic wise problem sorted. Just to choose a topic, solve all the questions of that topic. You can also solve or practice on Code Studio or Interview Beat. And you can also choose Hacker Rank for basic confidence. Now, see, I will suggest you start with Hacker Rank, build a basic confidence in you. Then move to Geeks for Geeks. Choose a topic. Solve all the related problems from Greeks and Greeks on that particular topic. Then switch to LeetCode. There, start from beginner level. Move, solve until you can crack the advanced level problems. See, focus on quality over quantity. Remember, 100 good problems is much more efficient than solving 300 random ones. Keep that in mind and solve. So now, you know what DSA is and why it's your ticket to landing the top placements. Drop a comment if you are starting your DSA journey today and tell me what you want me to help with first. And if this video helped you in any way, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll guide you step by step from zero to becoming a confident coder. Thank you. Please subscribe. And also watch the search strategies video, bilinear search and binary search, which one to choose, and let me know in the comments also. How much did you like the video?